Now we'll move to the eating well. So there are some healthy and eating habits. Chew your food well as it helps the process of digestion. So first one, you have to chew as much as possible so that your digestion process will be very much easier. And before only I told that digestion is a main role for our digestive system. That is, you have to chew a food such a way that it will be making your food as much as make the food as much as very simple formation by chewing your food. Second point, don't eat in hurry. So if you're eating in the hurry, what happens? You never chew your food properly, so your large intestines start working more. So you should not eat food very hurried manner. Okay, eat a balanced diet with a lot of fresh foods and less of preserved foods. So eating a diet with a lot of fresh fruits and eat less of preserved food. Preserved food means storing in the fridge. Almost you should avoid in preservating of foods. Okay, students, have a regular and particular eating time. So you have a timetable for eating. So morning you should eat at a regular timetable, so that what happens for you is that it will be a digestion system will be in the correct manner. If you eat untimetabled, for example you are eating by 9 o'clock and 12 o'clock and next evening some snacks and night 7:30 or 8 o'clock dinner means it will in the correct balance. So what happens, your digestive systems will work in the proper way. If you eat by 11 o'clock, 12:30, at 4 o'clock and night, late night, means your digestion systems will work improper. So you have to have a regular particular eating time. Avoid overeating. If you like more, for example, you like more chips means eating overthink that only compared to, you should avoid it. Rinse your mouth after eating anything else. So you should rinse your mouth after having everything, whatever. For example, if you drink water, if you drink juice, or you eat spices items, first after eating you should rinse your mouth. Do not exercise or play immediately after eating. So what happens after eating, they start to play immediately, so exercise immediately, that you should not do it. You can walk it, that is in the form of exercise, but walking is different and playing is different. Okay, student, these are the points you have to keep in your mind to make your food proper way. Okay, students, let we move to next, preparing food. Preparing, how to preparing the food. You have two types, that is raw food and cooked food. You have a raw food and cooked food. Some food items are usually eaten raw, such as fruits. You know, eating a raw foods like that is a carrot, cabbage, radish and cucumber, and also eaten as a salad, also as a raw also. These food items contains large amount of vitamins and minerals which get destroyed if you are cook. We also get spotted grains like gram pulses, such as rich in vitamins and protein. See, as students, some food will be eaten as a raw. If you cook that, what happens, the vitamins and protein that will be lost. Okay, students, that will be lost. So that what you should do, you should eat as much as raw as possible, and you should not overcook it. If you overcook the food, the food capacity will be reduces its vitamins and minerals. Most probably you know that, many of them eat as in boiled vegetables, half boiled vegetables, not overcooked. It is an half boiled, that is, it will be neither boiled neither raw, it is in the middle, so that will be eaten. But as much as possible you eat as in raw. And you can eat as an pulses grain as a rich. You can eat as a green gram chana as in raw. That gives us rich in vitamins and proteins. Okay, student, we should remember to wash raw food items properly before eating. So before eating you should wash it very proper manner, so that it germs and the dust should not enter to our body. That makes free from the dust and germs. Okay, like we have a one activity at home, try it. Soak some gram seeds in the water for overnight, then transfer it into wet cloth. Keep the cloth damp for a day. A spot will be appear, means grains will spot will be appear. Sprinkle some salt